I think Ranveer, Deepika. Yeah, they both are like so beautiful.
Couple goals.
Yeah, like कुछ भी ऐसे normal भी खड़े होंगे तो it's like a pose. It is so like they both are just like art. The person is talented, it's great. But if you are picking somebody with more followers or over somebody who is more talented, then I don't think it's right. आजकल जैसे कि सबको पता है Instagram is like your profile. A lot of times people do photo shoots in a way how they want to get cast, right? कि अगर कुछ भंसाली टाइप फिल्म में शूट कर चाहिए काम तो उस टाइप के शूट्स कराएंगे. These kind of roles, I think it was my conscious choice of doing something different and not just being monotonous with a certain kind of character or a genre. I never tried to shed that image. I mean, there was one time I shot for 34 hours regularly. I think especially if you have done something that really worked, it does typecast you. Ludo mein I felt, even if I had not done a film before, but Ludo mein I felt that it is an important character.
Hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble. I am Akriti Bagla and today I can say I am with a very gorgeous, very stunning Asha Negi. Asha, hello and welcome to Bollywood Bubble.
Hello, thank you so much. Thank
Asha,
you.
in recent times, आपके जो भी projects आए हैं, we always see a new shade of you, and this being a crime thriller now, how excited are you to see this, I say Avatar or the shade of yours?
Yeah, firstly, I'm really happy, really glad that this is being acknowledged, that I'm trying to do something different, something new every time. So I'm very happy. Thank you. But I'm really excited for this one, Honeymoon Photographer. The character is something I don't think I have done it before. It is a mix of a lot of things, and because it's a murder mystery, it's a thriller, a lot of suspense. तो ऐसे में my character also needs a lot of emotions. Like एक वो नहीं है कि अच्छा जैसे I've mostly done characters that are like sweet, happy, bubbly girl, good girl type. तो इसमें it is more human, the character. It has its own shades when जब भी अगर तुम किसी ऐसी situation में हो जहाँ पे if it's required for you to become that, then she is becoming that. So it was. I had a lot of fun shooting. Yeah.
But are you trying to hint कि suspects भी कभी-कभी victim बन जाते हैं या गवाह बन जाते हैं if needed?
I'm just trying to say कि you never know who the killer is. Could be me or maybe not. So yeah.
But yeah, let the series release. Then definitely we.
Yeah, पता चला ऐसे भावनाओं में बह के हमने कुछ leak कर दिया.
नहीं. We are very happy that the trailer is cut so well.
Yeah, right.
It actually looks mysterious. I mean, at a time we also get a shade कि maybe the husband wife are cheating on each other.
Yeah.
Like, about the
कुछ भी हो सकता है, right?
कुछ भी हो सकता है.
It's coming out like that.
Definitely. Tasha, you rightly mentioned. Till now, in fact, अभी भी जब लोग आपको देखते हैं ना, there is this image of you being a sweet girl, bubbly girl, overall the girl next door.
Yeah.
Was it difficult to shed that image, to get such roles now that you are getting?
I never tried to shed that image. I think I was just looking to do something different. मतलब अगर वो image है तो let it be, because I think people related the most to it. Shedding of that image I did not consciously do, but I always wanted to keep trying, and is why like आजकल जैसे कि सबको पता है Instagram is like your profile.
Yeah.
So a lot of times people do photo shoots in a way how they want to get cast, right? कि अगर कुछ भंसाली टाइप फिल्म में शूट कर चाहिए काम तो उस टाइप के शूट्स कराएंगे ऐसे. तो I just kept on working on myself, and yeah, I think it just happened.
But initially when you came to this industry, जब नया showbiz enter किया, expected था कि ऐसे roles भी मुझे मिलेंगे, considering you had a TV background. Like
नहीं, not at all. सोचा मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैंने प्लान किया था कुछ कि मैं ऐसे जाऊंगी ऐसे करूंगी, और मुझे नहीं लगता कि होते होंगे लोग जो प्लान करते होंगे कि अब मैं अगले 2 साल में ये कर लूँगी. मेरे साथ कभी नहीं हुआ ऐसा, और मैं मैं ऐसा कभी कर पाई हूँ. मैं जो प्लान करती हूँ कुछ अपना ही हो जाता है. सो जब टेलीविज़न करी थी तो कभी नहीं सोचा था कि OTT करूँगी, अपने आप ही हो गया. एंड these kind of roles, I think it was my conscious choice of doing something different and not just being monotonous with a certain kind of character or a genre. और फिर जब मुझे कुछ मिलता रहा किसी शो में कोई एक अलग टाइप का कैरेक्टर, तो फिर मैं वो पकड़ लेती थी. तो आई थिंक ऐसे धीरे धीरे करके हाउ
Ashu, do you also believe जैसा आपने OTT किया, right? You got to play, say, some strong woman role. Like even this is, we can't expect कि अरे how can a female turn suspect? How she can be accused of?
She's strong. She's fierce.
She is fierce, definitely. Even you did a film like Ludo. Anurag Basuwan. Do you think अगर आप अभी भी वो TV ही कर रहे होते, you would have been typecasting, or say कि TV typecasted you?
It did, yeah. It does. I think especially if you have done something that really worked, it does typecast you. And I mean, ठीक है, अभी उसके अपने pros and cons हैं. Pros की आज भी मुझे उस नाम से जानते हैं, उस शो से जानते हैं, और इतना फेम मिला, इतना प्यार मिला. एंड फिर यही है कि a lot of times, you know, maybe शायद से रिजेक्ट भी होते होंगे. People don't say it on the face, but a lot of times they might be rejecting you कि अरे, you know, overexposed या like that.
But ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि TV tag has become like an hindrance for you in getting good projects? Like people have told you कि okay, आप TV से हो तो हम नहीं लेंगे.
But मुंह पे नहीं बोलते हैं, of course, कि आप TV से हो तो आपको नहीं लेंगे. But हाँ, मुझे I'm sure कि पीछे ये discussion होता है.
After Ludo, why didn't you do films?
यार कुछ बहुत अच्छा नहीं मिला, पता है. And also like Ludo released on OTT. I wish it would have released on a
very good film.
Yeah, and I wish I would have seen myself on a big screen. But that is okay. I really wanted to be very mindful when it comes to picking my project. So उसके बाद मुझे कुछ ऐसा फिल्म्स में ऐसा कुछ बहुत अच्छा नहीं मिला कि I would be like कि चल ठीक है. I really don't want to कि just to be a part of a big film I'll do कुछ भी. Like even if this character doesn't add anything to the film, I mean I will not do such characters or such parts. So Ludo में I felt, even if I had not done a film before, but Ludo में I felt that it is an important character, and that is what I'm looking for now. You know, meaningful work, good, like important characters, yeah.
But you know that right now you even mentioned about rejections कि नहीं बताते हैं. But कभी सुना हो तो what has been like the bizarre reason you have heard कि आपको reject किया गया हो?
यार ऐसे बहुत सारे reasons होंगे ऐसे तो. Of course because of TV sometimes, and sometimes I think कि you know they need like the face is too innocent to play this character. But sometimes it has also played for that, yeah, कि oh अच्छा innocent है face तो we can use it like that.
Definitely.
So yeah, I'm not hinting to anything.
Not here.
but हाँ like but bizarre as in bizarre तो यार इतना कुछ याद नहीं मुझे, होगा भी क्या पता. But yeah.
But you know, since the series is titled Honeymoon Photographer, अगर किसी बॉलीवुड कपल का हनीमून फोटोग्राफर बनना हो, किसके बनोगे?
I think Ranveer Deepika. Yeah, they both are like so beautiful.
Couple goals.
Yeah, like कुछ भी ऐसे normal भी खड़े होंगे तो it's like a pose. It is so like they both are just like art, a beauty. Yeah.
You know, recently you shared a post before the series launched कि you are changing your career. You were hinting at your career change. What was that strategy?
This strategy, it was for this. So yeah, we all decided कि okay, let's just post this picture saying this caption and let's create a little buzz before we release the trailer.
You know, because even when I saw that post, I'm like, I was calling your team, is she really, you know, quitting acting?
Really?
Please say that.
It worked.
Yes, it worked. That's why I asked क्या strategy थी.
Yeah, I'm glad it worked.
But Asha, have you ever thought कि okay, showbiz में it is not working at any point कि maybe I should now think of a career switch or of a field switch? नहीं. You know, self-doubt phase आया कभी?
Yeah. After television, before OTT. So after Pavitra and then a couple of reality shows, and then I did 2 shows. If I don't know, people remember. If people don't remember, I'm glad. एक तो एक शो का नाम क्या था वो मैंने और अली ने किया था वो शो, अली गोनी. कुछ तो है तेरे मेरे दरमियान. और एक और शो था विद शिल्पा शिरोडकर मैम. These 2 shows, the moment एक मुट्ठी आसमान. So the moment I started, I joined the show, उसके 1 महीने में shows दोनों बंद एक एक करके, and that was my lowest. एंड आई थॉट कि ओके मे बी इट इज़ टाइम फॉर, वो होता है ना टेलीविजन में आप एक्टर्स को देखते हो एंड देन फिर थोड़ा टाइम बाद गायब हो जाते हैं वो, ओके आई थिंक इट इज़ टाइम फॉर मी. बट देन लकीली आई गेव माई सेल्फ टाइम. और उसके बाद मैंने ये भी सोचा, बहुत अक्ल भी आई उसके बाद कि यार आई शुडंट जस्ट लाइक गो फॉर प्रोजेक्ट्स टू कीप माई सेल्फ बिजी, क्योंकि इतनी आदत पड़ गई थी ना टेलीविजन में काम करने की. तो वैसे हो रहा था अब कुछ काम करना है तो अच्छा पकड़ लो, कर लो ये. देन उसके बाद आई लर्न माई लेसन दैट यू नो जस्ट बी लिटिल मोर थॉटफुल व्हेन इट कम्स टू पिकिंग द राइट वर्क. सो मुझे लगा था कि तब ऐसा हो जाएगा. डबल थॉट्स आए थे, डाउटफुल thoughts आए थे.
But you know, Asha, now that you have worked on a web series, you have done a film, आपने television भी, you have explored sort of all three mediums, right? Today there have been a lot of you know, buzz or say talk about the television working hours, the conditions on set. Have you faced any of those while you were working back then?
Yeah, but we didn't complain. I mean, there was one time I shot for 34 hours regularly. What? I was on set. क्योंकि मैंने 4 दिन की छुट्टी मांगी थी यार, मुझे एक इवेंट पे जाना था. And imagine like बारिश के scenes हो रहे, everything. And I'm taking a shower there and everything, just everything. I was not sleeping 34 hours straight. So I've done all of that.
Well, अभी लगता है सोशल मीडिया हैज़ गिवन यू नो, जिन एक्टर्स की सोशल मीडिया पे कास्टिंग होती है लाइक टू एक्ट इन अ वेब सीरीज, स्पेशली इन वेब सीरीज फील्ड इट हैपेंस. डू यू जस्टिफाई दैट एज समवन हु हैज नाउ वर्कड लाइक फॉर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम?
यार, इफ द पर्सन इज टैलेंटेड इट्स ग्रेट, बट इफ you are picking somebody with more followers or over somebody who is more talented, then I don't think it's right. गलत है वो तो, रॉन्ग है, चीटिंग है वो तो.
उसके लिए आपने सबको अनफॉलो कर दिया?
नहीं यार, मैं बता रही थी किसी को कि मेरे फेजेस आते हैं, सो मैं कभी कभी ना इंस्टाग्राम डिलीट मार देती हूँ फ़ोन से कि अभी मुझे छुट्टी चाहिए इंस्टाग्राम से, मैं देखना भी नहीं चाहती बिकॉज बहुत एडिक्शन हो रहा है. तो फिर एक फेज़ आया था जब मैं ऐसे ब्रेक लेके 1 महीने का वापस आई थी एंड मुझे लगा मुझे नहीं देखना है किसी को तो मैं सबको अनफॉलो करती हूँ. इट वॉज जस्ट दैट. That's all.
You know, are you looking forward to now doing reality shows if it comes your way?
Yeah, the reality shows that I liked I've already done. So अब मुझे नहीं लगता.
अगर मैं पूछूं आशा, what are some of the regrets you have about your career? What would it be today?
I don't have regrets. Yeah, and I don't keep regrets. Yeah, I feel everything and मतलब whatever you do, in whatever choices you make, they always have something, I mean you always have something to learn from them. So even if something I chose and did not work out, it is a lesson for me now, and I wouldn't have been the way I am if I wouldn't have taken that action. So regrets nahi rakhti main. Yeah.
And if talking about future, which director and which genre is on your wish list?
I want to work with Imtiaz Ali.
Romance.
एंड फिर इम्तियाज़ अली सर की होगी तो फिर लव स्टोरी ही होगी, आई थिंक.
रोमांस
या.
थैंक यू सो मच आशा, रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर दिस मल्टीपल शेड्स ऑफ योर्स,
है ना,
एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर योर अदर प्रोजेक्ट्स एज वेल. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hi, my name is Asha Negi and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble.